Hello friends, welcome to iExamB. This is Vidhika, your law faculty at iExamB, and in this video we are going to discuss about a recruitment which was recently released by Agriculture Insurance Company of India Limited. Subscribe to our channel to get updated information relating to any upcoming exam notification. If you have any query with respect to any of the government exams, you can write to us at hello@iexamb.com or you can call us on this number which is mentioned on the screen. So as I have mentioned, Agriculture Insurance Company of India Limited has recently released management trainee recruitment in the legal stream. In this video, we are going to have an overview of what is the exam pattern and we will discuss the syllabus of all the subjects, what should be studied in order to appear for this exam. Looking at the important dates, the online registration for the 30 vacancies for management trainees in the disciplines of agriculture science, information technology, legal and accounts started from 23rd of November and the last date to fill the application form is 13th of December. The month of online examination has been mentioned tentatively, that is January 2022. So your exam is expected to be held in January. If you look at the eligibility criteria for the legal management trainees, the requirement is graduate in law with 60% marks or 55% for SC/ST or post-graduation in law with 60% marks. The exam pattern consists of 6 subjects. The first is test of reasoning in which you will have 25 questions of 25 marks. Then there is test of English language, test of general awareness, test of quantitative aptitude and computer literacy, professional test that is law to assess technical and professional knowledge in the relevant discipline. And the sixth one is descriptive English test, essay, précis and comprehension. Now we will look at the syllabus of each of this subject, each of this section. So first of all, starting with reasoning, in this the topics that you should know, that you should practice is common sense reasoning, ranking, coding decoding, coded inequality, direction and distance, syllogisms, input output, coded blood relations, puzzles, seating arrangements, analytical reasoning and data sufficiency. Then the next subject is English language, in which the most important areas from which question usually comes in competitive exam is reading comprehension, para jumbles, para completion, vocabulary, error spotting, sentence correction, close test, rearrangement of sentences, match columns. The next section is general awareness and this is a very vast section. Whatever we mention is indicative and the questions can be from all the topics which are mentioned on the screen or from other current affair topics. So first of all, there is static GA that you should know. Then there is current affairs. You should know about the regulatory bodies, RBI, SEBI, about the international banking and insurance related terms. Since it is agriculture insurance company, you should know about agriculture sector, any of the government schemes that have been announced, any of the mergers or committees that have been formed. It is insurance related, so you should be knowing about insurance terms, banking and financial terms. Then certain financial information like RBI monetary policy, budget, economic survey, any new apps that have been formed, memorandum of understandings that have been signed, then any news related to sports, books and authors, appointments, any of the exercises that have been conducted by military, by Navy or by Air Force. So these all topics form important section of general awareness. Then the next one is quantitative aptitude. In this, the important topic is data interpretation, in which you have bar graph, tables, caselet DI. Then there is percentage, profit and loss, simple interest and compound interest, ratio and proportion, average and allegation, partnership and ages, time, speed and distance, train, board and stream, quadratic equation, number series, mensuration, permutation and combination and probability. Few of these topics are very important and very scoring. Data interpretation is very scoring. Then percentage, profit loss, ratio and proportion, average and allegation, partnership and ages. Again, this is very important and very scoring as well. Then one is quadratic equation and number series, again a scoring topic. The next one is computer knowledge. In this, the important topics are hardware and software, operating system, MS Office related topics, MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint. Then there is networking and communication, database related topics, history of computers and keyboard shortcuts. Now the next one is your law syllabus, and since it is a management trainee in the legal department, you need to cover more number of topics in law. Some of the acts which are very basic, which you have studied in your graduation, like Constitution of India, civil and criminal laws like Civil Procedure Code, Indian Evidence Act, Limitation Act, Criminal Procedure Code, Indian Penal Code, and contract laws like Indian Contract Act, Specific Relief Act, Transfer of Property Act. Other topics included in this syllabus are your commercial laws like Companies Act, Indian Partnership Act, Limited Liability Partnership Act, and Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code. In the legal theory, some of the important topics are jurisprudence, administrative law, principle of natural justice, interpretation of statutes, Latin terms, and maxims. Other than this, there are certain other topics as well: law of torts, Consumer Protection Act, Arbitration and Conciliation Act, Information Technology Act, Right to Information Act, and Competition Act. And since it is agriculture insurance company, so insurance related laws also become very important. Insurance Act 1938 and IRDA Act 1999 are two other acts which are related to insurance sector. At iExamB, we offer you online courses for various departments, for various streams, IT, legal, and agriculture, based on the exam pattern. In this, you will find video lessons, study notes, practice tests, live sessions, and interview guidance. And at present, we are giving you a flat 40% off. You can use the code NEW40. Enroll now and be exam ready with our online course. As I have already mentioned, subscribe to our channel to get all the updated information and do click the bell icon. Thank you so much.